Take me into Colour City Church, Orange.
I'm afraid I can't find that place.
You can see right there that that business couldn't be found. I know the name of the business, I know that it's in Orange, but unfortunately I can't find it. And that's because the Google Maps listing has not been optimized correctly. Now, this is a really important thing for every single business. If you're a business like any of these that we're driving past here in Orange, you need to make sure that you can be found on Google Maps and that your hours and the other information is correct. If it isn't, you're at risk of people not being able to find you. Now, in the case of Colour City Church, they're actually on Google Maps, but the listing hasn't been managed properly, and sometimes it can be tricky to deal with that. So that's when you need web professionals like ourselves. At MRKWP, we're certified in dealing with Google Maps, dealing with Google Photos, and making sure that your listing works properly. Because the most important thing you can do as a business is make sure that the people that are looking for you can find you. You need to be able to be found with a Google search. You should be able to be found on things like Facebook, other types of social media that's relevant. You should also be able to be found there too. If you need help making sure you're found, click through to our webpage, find out exactly how to deal with your Google Maps listing.